Hello, good people. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. If today is your first time, visiting this channel, you're highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell after subscribing so you can be the very first to get notified whenever I post a new video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare the Nigerian egg fried rice. This recipe was so delicious. So here are the ingredients to be using. I have rice, egg, vegetable oil, onion, pepper, ugu leaves, seasoning cube, and curry powder. So the first thing we'll be doing is to break in the eggs into the already boiled rice. All right. Salt was already added to the rice. You're going to just boil your rice like you boil your rice. You add salt because I normally add salt to my boiled rice. So I'm breaking in the eggs. Then I'm adding the curry powder. Then the chopped pepper. This is Scotch bonnet. Then the seasoning cube. Then you stir and mix everything together. So guys, this is a very simple and healthy recipe. It's not time consuming at all. Not time consuming at all. Just mix your egg like you're doing it now, and you're good to go, and you have your delicious Nigerian egg fried rice. So like this, after mixing it very well, it will look like this. Hope you guys are seeing it very well. Yeah, the next thing is to add very little oil to a dry frying pan. Then you add your chopped onion and stir as well. So I'm going to fry the onions for some minutes. Then I'm adding the rice and egg mixture. Then you stir and fry and fry. Remember, what we are preparing is fried rice, egg fried rice. So You keep frying the rice, till it's dried. All right. You're going to love this recipe. Your kids are going to love this recipe. All right. So this is an alternative to the normal Nigerian fried rice we know. This is an alternative to that. You know, you can also choose to go with this. Oh, this is Easter, right? This is Good Friday. Oh, this could also be a perfect recipe for the season. It's healthy and it's not time consuming at all. So if you want to kind of will I say um varieties, if you want to go for varieties, you can. This is this is going to be a good one, right? So guys, let me use this opportunity to wish you guys a glorious, happy Easter to you all. Thank you guys for being there for me. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching my videos. All right, you guys are. So as you guys can see, the rice is almost dry. The egg fried rice rather. It's almost ready. It's dried now, and it indicates it's almost ready. For those that have kids, your kids will love this. No drop will be on the floor, and you're going to love it as well. So this recipe was so delicious, and please give it a try. I'm adding little salt, but before you add salt, make sure you test for salt. Though I added salt to the boiled rice, all right, and I had a test, and it needed salt. That was why I added salt. So please, before you add salt, make sure you test for salt. All right. So guys, as you guys can see, this is almost ready. It's almost done. Wow. Yeah, so I'm adding, my sliced ugu leaves for flavor. You could also add curry leaves or scent leaves, to give you, flavor, right? And this is it. Our Nigerian egg fried rice is ready. Delicious. Yummy, 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 yummy. Alright, guys. This is it. Almost ready. Ready, ready, ready. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, guys, this is cool. This is cool. This is cool. You're going to love this recipe. Please try it out this season. It's worth trying out this season. So, guys, this is it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and see you in my next video. Happy Easter!